Even if you're not battling any skin issues, but still a lot of people worry about open or enlarged pores. It's something which is present in most of the skin types. In some people it's more enlarged, open and gives a textured appearance, while in some people it's usually closed and the appearance of the skin is very smooth, though they even have pores. So today's topic would be enlarged or open pores. And hi, I'm Dr Jaspreet Kour, a Cureskin dermatologist, and today we'll be discussing all about open pores and ingredients that work wonderfully to close them or minimize the appearance of open pores. First of all, let's understand what pores are. So pores are very small openings on the surface of the skin, which is important for the skin to breathe and secrete oil, sweat glands, and make your skin metabolically active. So everybody has pores, but in some people it might be enlarged and congested, which may give a very pit-like appearance, while in some people it's minimized, so you don't see it visibly on the surface with naked eye, but though they are still present. Pores are present in almost all skin types, and it is very important for your skin to have pores so that it can breathe oxygen and be metabolically active. But still, if it bothers you a lot, the enlargement or the congestion of the pores, there are certain ingredients that work wonderfully in minimizing them as well as giving you a texture-free, smooth appearance. One such ingredient is AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acids, and the other is BHA, which is beta hydroxy acids. Alpha hydroxy acids are usually glycolic acid based products, and beta hydroxy acids is usually salicylic acid. So both of these are acid based, which help in exfoliation of the dead skin cells in the form of a chemical exfoliation. So it not only surfaces your skin, but at the same time helps with blemishes, dark spots, and any mild issues on the surface of the skin. Third such ingredient is retinol, which is a gold standard treatment for anti-aging, collagen production, acne-prone skin, but at the same time being an all-round ingredient. It helps with resurfacing of the skin, minimizing your pores, and giving a smooth, texture-free appearance to the surface of the skin. And the fourth ingredient, which is my personal favorite, is a niacinamide-based product, which could be in the form of a serum, gel, or even moisturizer. So niacinamide is also an all-round product, but it helps a lot in acne-prone skin, reducing pigmentation and dark spots, and most importantly, reducing the appearance of the pores. Though these ingredients help you a lot in minimizing the appearance of the pores, but it's very important to have a good diet, regular workout, and drink a lot of water, and make sure that you have thoroughly followed your CTM routine. So I hope this video was informative enough and cleared a lots of doubts and queries. In case if you still have any questions, you can definitely put up it in the comment section and we'll be happy to answer them. For more such videos and informative content, do subscribe and follow us. Till then, share love and do a good skincare routine.